One of the most common ways of tying a lark's head is to put it around something that you're tying, like a waist in this case. So I'm just going to do it at speed. Now that looked very simple, but I'm actually doing like 11 things. I have a rope folded in half with the bite in my dominant hand. I place that hand around the thing I'm tying. My offhand goes around the other side and it hooks that bite with 2 fingers. You can see 2 fingers right there. Those 2 fingers are pointing toward the thing that I'm tying. Then I draw the line around my partner. This allows me to feel and make sure the lines are parallel and even and that they're not twisted. Here on this side, these 2 fingers are now in the perfect position, so I can feed them the tail like that. Now I want to pull the tail through the bite. I am not going to just hook it straight through like this, where the tail is going to travel against that bite while I'm trying to pull it through. Doing that way has a lot of friction. It's sort of a pain to pull through. Instead, having grabbed the rope like this, I'm going to twist my hand about 90 degrees and pull it through the bite like this. Now, that tail is inside the bite, not against the bite, inside the hole. Now I can pull it through with my offhand while guiding it with my dominant hand to make sure it moves through smoothly and straight like that. This keeps the tails from flopping around and hitting something. If you have knots in the end of the rope, it's also helpful to have your hand right there to guide them through that little bite like that. Once you have it run through, reverse your tension, set the location you want it to be, and tighten it to the level you want it to be, like that.